Very good. Today we will learn about distance between 2 points on a line which is parallel to the coordinate axis. That's why I am drawing a parallel line to coordinate x-axis, which is the x-axis. I am drawing a parallel line to x-axis. Now we have to find out the distance between any 2 points on this line. Suppose here you have a point. Suppose take this as a point. Here we have to find out the distance between these 2 points. To find out the distance between these 2 points, first draw the perpendicular. Draw the perpendicular to x-axis. Similarly, draw the perpendicular to x-axis from this point. Here, now this point lying on x-axis. Therefore, we can write like this 1 0. Why? This point lying on x-axis. Therefore, y coordinate is 0. This point also lying on x-axis. Therefore, y coordinate is 0. 3 0. Suppose here this point as, therefore this point becomes x coordinate is 1. Here perpendicular drawn from these two y-axis is intersecting at 3. Therefore y coordinate is 3. Similarly, point of this x and y coordinates are of this point B are x coordinate is 3, y coordinate also 3. Therefore, now indirectly we are finding the distance between A and B. When we draw this, we are getting a rectangle. In this rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, from here to here distance is equals to distance between A and B. Here distance between 1 and 3. According to previous class, from here to here distance is 1 unit, 2 units. 1 unit, 2 units means just 1, 2 units. Here from here to here distance is 2 units. Similarly, here also find out the distance between these 2 points. Here y coordinates are same. To find out the distance between these 2 points, just to find out the difference between x coordinates. Here x coordinate is 3, here x coordinate is 3. 3 minus 1, 2 units. Therefore, from here to here also distance is 2 units. Suppose this point as x1, y. Suppose this point as x2, y. Here we are writing y coordinate as constant. Why? Here we got y coordinates are constants. On parallel line to x-axis consisting y coordinates are same. To find out the distances between those 2 points, we are finding the difference between x coordinates. Here AB means difference between x coordinates. Here we found the distance between A and B by subtracting 1 from 3. Means we found the difference between x2 minus x1. Means 3 minus 1. Similarly, find out the difference between x2 and x1. Similarly, if you may draw the parallel line to y-axis also. Here, which is the parallel line to x-axis. On this x-axis, on this parallel line, y coordinates are same. If a line which is parallel to x-axis, y coordinates are fixed. Similarly, if a line which is parallel to y-axis, x coordinates are same. X coordinates becomes same. Here distance between y-axis and parallel line to y-axis is represented by x coordinate. Therefore here suppose this point b xy1, suppose this point be xy2. Here distance between these 2 points is the distance between these 2 points is just to find out the difference between y coordinates, y2 minus y1. Here distance never be negative, that's why I am using here modulus symbol. Here first derived, to find out the distance between any 2 points on x-axis is equal to distance between a and b. Here to find out the distance between any 2 points on these, we are finding difference between x coordinates. 3 minus 1 is 2 units. Similarly here also we will get 2 units. Why? Because of which is rectangle. In rectangle opposite sides are equal. To find out the distance between these 2 points, we are finding the difference between x coordinates. Here which is suppose x2 y2, x2 y, which is x1y. Here finding distance between AB by subtracting x1 from x2 coordinates. Similarly here also, here this is the line which is parallel to y-axis. To find out the distance between any 2 points on that line, just to find out the difference between y coordinates.